McDavid walks in, the one-timer from the wing. Letestu scores! Another rebound to Mark Letestu, his second power play goal of the game, and it's 2-1 Oilers.
Ron mentioned that it's such a great utility player, Letestu on the doorstep, but this is after 3 good chances. The earlier one by Lucic, and then McDavid with his first grade A chance of the night. Look at how Gibson stays up long enough, gets his shoulder there, keeps it alive, but the Oilers with a real good sense of purpose here. Maroon gets inside, and the rebound is there. Manson was focused on Maroon for a split second. The puck went by him, and look at where Letestu comes from. Out of your screen, onto the puck, and over the sprawling goaltender Gibson, as he for a second thought he might be able to get there, but Letestu gets his second of the night.
McDavid drives up the middle. In comes Clefbaum. Here comes the trainer. Larsson shoots. He scores! And the Edmonton Oilers on the road have taken a 3-1 lead on a goal by Adam Larsson.
And all smiles at the Oiler bench there. His first goal in 24 games, but watch the play develop, and it's a late change at the bench. The Ducks get a change there. Cogliano comes on, and there's no way that everybody's collapsed back front, but with that bad change, look at Cogliano look back to his bench. He ends up being the frustrated one. Was that Perry who made the change? No, Perry took Maroon going to the net, and a wide open Larsson beats blocker side Gibson. And that's what I mean. Good defensive play ends up with a chance at the other end, and all of a sudden a 2-goal lead.